Hello everybody, this is going to be the tutorial on our Learning How to Code HTML series. This one will teach you how to make a button. So, first thing that you want to do is you're going to want to put in your basic framework. So do exclamation mark dunk type HTML, post it off, do HTML, and then you're going to want to do head, and you're going to want to do slash head. And so that will give us our head section, and then we're going to want to do body and slash body. And end it off with a slash HTML. And this is our section for code. So what you're going to want to do in here is, for making a button, you're going to do button. Very surprising, I know. Then slash button. And so if we run our code, you can see that now we have a small button. Now this isn't very helpful because if you're making a website, your users maybe want to know what this button does. So let's say you're going to go here and say link to YouTube video. And so, see, now it says link to YouTube video. But again, this isn't very helpful because it's not actually linking to anything. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the link that you have copied, and you're going to copy and paste that. Take this in this section. So href equals, and then in quotes. So this is where you're going to paste your link. You're going to put your link in there, and you're going to close off the statement. Then at the end of this button, you're going to do slash a. See, now when I run this, when I click on the link, it'll bring up whatever YouTube video that I chose, or whatever kind of link that you chose. I just chose a random YouTube video. You can use whatever you want. Anything will work. But maybe you think the button is looking kind of bland, which it is. So let's say we can change up the text color. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do style equals, then in quotes, going to want to do color, and then a colon, and let's say I want my color to be cornflower. You can choose whatever color you want, but now when I run it, oops, cornflower is not a color. Let's see, now when I run it, I can type in, let's say, for example, red, and then you're going to want to add any color that you want. So let's say, for example, red. Now you can see the text is red, but the button still functions the same way. It will pull up whatever link that you put there. So maybe you still think it's too bland. Maybe you just don't like squares. So if you don't like that, you can go do a semicolon, and you can go border dash radius, and then add a colon, and then you can do 10 pixels. So now you can see the button is more circular. But maybe you just don't want any normal button. You don't just want it to pull up some link. So in that case, you want to delete this, and let's try a different type of button. So this button, make it so when you click it, it will reveal a message. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to open up button, but instead of closing it, you're going to want to type on, click, and then after that, equal sign, and add some quotes. Yes. And inside these quotes, what you're going to want to type is reveal message being capitalized, and then add some parentheses inside of there. And then you close off statement like that, and then what you're going to want to do is you are going to maybe write some message in there, like let's say click me. Then you can do /button. You can see now the button is there and it says click me. Now this doesn't do anything yet because we have not pulled up the rest of the code. So what you'll want to do is you're going to want to do div underneath div, and then you're going to do ID equals, and then pull up some quotes. Inside the quotes, you're going to do hidden. Inside the quotes, you're going to want to do hidden message being capitalized. And then from there, you're going to want to do style. And the style is going to be equaled to display. It's going to be display, and then a colon, none. So still not there yet. We still have more ways to go. And so close off the statement. And what you're going to want to do underneath is you're going to want to do P, and then whatever text that you want. So let's say maybe I want to do thanks for clicking me. Then you're going to do /P, send off the statement, and then at the end you're going to want to do /div. You can see when you run it, the text doesn't show up, but there's still more to go. We're getting close though. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to type in function. So for the website that I'm using, I have to do script. But if you're using an app like Sublime, yeah, you can just type in function. So function, and then reveal message being capitalized, and then add some parentheses, add space, and then do these squiggly type brackets, and then enter. And you're going to want to document dot get element by ID, get element by ID, and then after that you're going to add some parentheses, and inside those parentheses some quotes, and inside those quotes you're going to want to do hidden message once again in capitalized, and then dot style dot display equals, and then you're going to do in these, you're going to do block and add a semicolon afterwards and close it off with another one of the squiggly brackets. And since I'm doing this on this website, I have to do /script, and there we go. That's all our code. So now when I click it, it'll bring up thanks for clicking me. This has been the tutorial on how to make the two different types of buttons, how to have an embedded link, and how to have one that reveals a message when you click it. Thank you for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!